Told you. Told you.
Oh, you got one?
Yep, it was like a little yellow bass. Yeah, that's what's out here.
Where's the big one?
It's another yellow. Must be a bunch of them down there.
Are you sure that's not the same fish?
Yeah, that other one was all beat up. You seen how beat up he was?
No, I didn't. I just saw that he just fell off the hook. Oh, he's got two hooks in him?
Jump, baby, jump.
I can see it kicking.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Oh! Now that's a what? Bass?
It's a Kentucky. He needs to hold still a minute. The little hook's hard to get out. Yeah, look at him. He's got a... Before I got this one.
Before you got a stump?
No, he's fighting.
How do you look
I don't know. You can't even see him yet. Oh, well, look what we got.
You want me to get the net
Look at
out?
that, white bass.
Wow, now how big is that one?
Couple pounds.
Can you keep it?
If you want to go through the process of cleaning them. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a nice size. Come on, jump. See that fight? You didn't see the fight?
No, I was looking at that book. Oh, it didn't say fish on it.
Yeah, I did. I said, there he is.
Is it about the same size as the other one?
Yeah, a couple pounds.
Wow.
It's got to be a yellow.
Oh! Oh, that's the yellow one. Those are pretty in the sun.
They are.
Whoops.
Well, that didn't work. Another yellow. Oh. Whoa, look following him. Look following him. Oh. Hope we get this on film. There's a bass underneath there big enough to eat him. You see him?
Oh, yeah, find right there.
Almost got him.
You can eat him or not? Where'd he go?
I don't know. Oh, he's down there. That's cool. See, that's a good sized bass. Oh, he's still down there. He's still thinking about how can I eat this guy. Yeah. There he is again. See, right under him. Got him. Got the big fish. Yeah, he got off, but the big one got the spoon.
Did you get a picture of it?
Yeah, it's all on film.
Gosh, look at that.
Big enough to eat the bee after that.
Oh my gosh. Oh, how big is that?
Pretty good size.
No, duh. I didn't bring my phone with me to take a picture. Oh, you're taking a picture.
Yes, I'm taking a video.
Wow, Maggie, that was fun.
Good boy.
Now, how big do you think that one is?
Oh, that's up there 4 pounds or so. Maybe a little more. You want to weigh him?
Where's the scale?
There he is. There she is. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Well, the white bass haven't been in here for months.
Do they come down river, or how do they?
Yeah, they roam quite a bit.
Oh, he swallowed that deep.
Yeah, because he ate it on the way to the boat. Not near as big as those other ones. Bass, because it's good size. But I think it's something else. What do you think it is? Hooked in the tail? I don't either. But it's strong. Very strong.
Oh, it's an 8-pounder.
You never know. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, what is it? It's a drum hooked in the side. That's why he's so strong.
Oh,
That's a drum.
a drum?
White drum.
What does that mean?
And look, he missed the bait, but it hooked him in the fin.
Oh, wow.
That's what happens. Could be the same one. Oh, good, another Kentucky. Nope. Good size.
What kind is that?
That's a black bass. I thought it was a Kentucky, but it's not. It's a regular old largemouth black bass.
They call it that because it's that dark and...
Sometimes the fish catch you.
You want some water?
Now I got to get this fish in. Oh, he's a strong one too. Where you going, boy? White bass. Oh, he swallowed it way down there. This ain't gonna be good. Oh, it came right out. He'll be all right. Sometimes that's where you get some really good ones. That's a yellow.
Oh. One of the little pretty ones.
Can you get him?
No. I said these are the ones that...
Can't you get him?
No.
Yeah, he's got kind of sharp fins on the back and sharp gills. That's probably a yellow. A little bit bigger than a yellow.
Oh, that is it.
He's hooked in the head. That's why he was strong.
Oh, that's
Another yellow. I'm gonna have to get a bigger spoon. Oh, there's a big fish behind him.
a deer?
Yeah. See it? Yeah,
Oh yeah,
it's another big bass. I think he wants the spoon. Hand me that other rod. You want the white thing on it? No, that doesn't have a white lure on it. Here it is. See the big fish? I think he might have seen us. That's got to be the trick I use. Hold this. Oh, you can't hold it. No, you can't hold either one. You'd be officially fishing, really. That didn't work. I didn't get him that time. Oh, look, that's a little white. Almost. Strong one. Fish on. I think it's probably a white bass.